We have already done exercise 8B. Today I am going to start exercise 8C. Very important topic. And topic is divisibility rules. Okay. Divisibility rules. Note down this heading in your notebooks. Okay, exercise 8C and topic is divisibility rules. Okay, I will explain divisibility rule by 2, 3, 5 and 10. We will follow the rule to find out whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not. Okay. I am going to start first. Divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. अगर आपने पता करना हो कि a given number is divisible by 2 or not, how will you find out? Okay, there is a rule. I will explain. Write this heading, divisibility by 2. First of all, we will talk about this, and I will do some question relating to this. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. कब? If क्या लिखोगे आप? If it is even. It is even. या if last digit is odd. Last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If some number has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at the end, so that number will be divisible by 2. Means if the number is even. Note down this property. I will do some question relating to this property. Question number 4. Just note down this property. कोई भी नंबर 2 पे डिविजिबल तभी होगा अगर उसके एंड में 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम गोइंग टू टेक क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पार्ट ए. ओके, इट इज गिवन part A. I am going to take 1, 3, 5, 9, 8. अब हमें ये पता करना है whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. Very easy. You need not to divide this number by 2. Just follow the rule. If last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, तो इसका last digit क्या है? 8. Okay. It means yes, it is divisible because last digit is even या 8. Okay, तो आप क्या लिखोगे? Yes, 1, 3. Yes लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है बेटा. इधर लिखो 1, 3, 5, 9, 8 is divisible by 2. क्यों? Because last digit is even. क्योंकि a तो even नंबर होता है. Last digit is even. Okay. Note down this. I have already explained what are even number, odd numbers. Okay. One more part I will do. Don't worry. Now I am going to take one part from B part. Question number 4, B part. 4, 8, 3. Note down first this. Okay. Very easy. You need not to do a long division to find out whether the number is divisible. Just follow the rule. अब इसका last digit क्या है? 3. Is it divisible by 2? No, because 3 is not an even number. So लिखोगे आप 4, 8, 3 is not divisible by 2 because अब रीजन भी तो लिखेंगे ना. because लास्ट डिजिट इज नॉट इवन। तो 3 तो इवन नंबर है ही नहीं, इसलिए नोट डाउन दिस। Yes, I'm giving you time. First, I have talked about divisibility by 2, and I have done 2 questions. One question, the number is divisible by 2, and second, not divisible. Okay. Yes, no down. Next is divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. Okay, no down. Okay, divisibility by 3 क्या होती है? A number is divisible. I am just writing short form. Divisible by 3 if sum of the digits, I will explain. If sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Note down this property. I will take example and explain. Question number 5 की example होगी बेटा. Just note down this. Yes. Okay. Question number 5A part. I am taking example 7380. Of sum of the digits. So we will add all these digits. Okay. Seven plus 3 plus 8 plus 0. कितना बन गया? 7 plus 3 8 10 plus 8 18 plus 0 18. 18 आ गया. 18 3 के टेबल पे आता है. Yes. सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स, जितने भी डिजिट है उनको प्लस करके अगर वो नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 देन द नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. तो 8 इज डिविजिबल. तो आप क्या लिखोगे? 7380 is divisible by 3 because 18. हमारे पास 18 आया ना प्लस करके. 80 is divisible by 3. आप ये भी लिख सकते हो because sum of the digit is divisible by 3. मैंने शॉर्ट लिख दिया 18 क्योंकि हमारे पास ऐड कितना आया? 18 ऐड करो. नोट डाउन. I will explain again. Divisibility by 2 क्या था? If the last digit is even, तो हमने चेक कर लिया था. ओके. अगर even है तो yes divisible, odd है तो no. Divisibility by 3 क्या है? We will add the digits of the number. ओके. जैसे हमने 7 plus 3 plus 8 plus 0 किया. 18 आ गया. 18 3 के टेबल पे आता है. It means number divisible by 3. I will take one more example. I hope everybody has done this. Okay. Now part B. I am going to take example from part B. 88. What will we do? Will we add 8 plus 8? 16. But 16 is not divisible by 3. 3 के टेबल पे आता ही नहीं. तो क्या लिखोगे? 88. बेटा आप लिखो. कोई बात नहीं. नोट डाउन. So you will write 88 is not divisible by 3. क्यों? Because sum of the digits किया ना हमने. 16 is not divisible by 3. Note down. I'm giving you time. Note down. So 2 and 3 divisibility we have done. I'm waiting. Note down. I hope things are clear now. These things needs practice. 3 की divisibility, sum of the digits. जितना भी number दिए उसके digits को we will add and we will check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay. This is 18. Okay. Go down. Now I will take third divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5. Okay, very easy. A number is divisible by 5 if last digit is 0 or 5. Note down. Yes, note down. अगर हमने ये देखना है कि if the given number divisible by 5 or not, you need not to do proper wrong division. You just see कि उसके एंड में कौन सा डिजिट है. If the last digit is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Okay, note down. To explain this property, I will take question number 3. Okay, of your book. Question number 3. Okay, note down this property first. Yes. Question number 3, A part 65. I am taking one number 65. Yes, I am ready. The number is 65. Okay. अब प्रॉपर्टी क्या है 5 की? If the last digit is 0 or 5, तो इसका last digit क्या है? 5. What is this? It means it is divisible. Okay. तो क्या लिखोगे? 65 is divisible by 5 because लास्ट डिजिट इज 5. यही हमारी प्रॉपर्टी है, रूल है. डिजिट इज 5. नोट डाउन. क्यों डिविजिबल है? क्योंकि लास्ट डिजिट जो है वो 5 है. नोट डाउन. Okay, one more part I will take for your clarification. Part B, 48. 48. You can take me. You note down this. Yes. I am taking one more example. 48. तो इसका लास्ट डिजिट क्या है? 8. तो 8 नो, दिस इज नॉट डिविजिबल बिकॉज लास्ट डिजिट इज नॉट 0 और 5. हमारी तो कंडीशन है, अगर लास्ट में 0 और 5 होगा तभी वो डिविजिबल होगा. तो आप क्या लिखोगे 48 is not divisible by 5. क्या लिखोगे रीजन बिकॉज लास्ट डिजिट is not 0 और 5. बस क्योंकि लास्ट डिजिट ना तो 0 है ना 5 है, so the number is not divisible. Note down. Last property is left, divisibility by 10. Note down, I am giving you time. Divisibility by 10. अगर आपने देखना हो कि whether the number divisible by 10 or not, so how will you see within 1 second or 1 minute? Okay. Yes. A number is divisible by 10 if last digit is 0. आपका 10 का टेबल करके देखो 10 1 10, 10 2 20, 10 3 30, 10 4 40, तो सबके एंड में 0 आ रहा है ना, ठीक है. तो इट मीन अगर लास्ट में 0 है तो नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 10. For this I will take question number 4. First note down this. Note down. Question number 4. A part 3000. It is visible because last digit is 0. 3000 is divisible by 10 because last digit is 0. 10 के टेबल करके देखो आप, आता है ना 10 1 10, 10 2 20, ओके 30 40, तो एंड में 0 आता है ना, तो ओके तो अगर लास्ट डिजिट इज 0 है तो द नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 10. नोट डाउन दिस. ओके तो अगर लास्ट में कुछ और नंबर होता तो 9 हो जाता. नोट डाउन. इट्स बी पार्ट 1003. So last digit is 3. It is not divisible. What will you write? No. 1003 इसके साथ आएगा 0. Last digit is 0. So 1003 is not divisible by 10 as last digit is not 0. Last digit is not 0. Okay, note down. Enough for this class. Note down. I am giving you time. Beta question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 we will not do. From question number 6 to 10. 11 question I will do in next class. Okay, and I will introduce prime number and composite number. 6 to 10 just cut this question, we will not do. 11 question is little different, I will do in next class. Note down this. I am giving you time. I hope things are clear. Divisibility by 2 था, last digit is even. Divisibility by 3 क्या था, sum of the digits should be divisible. Divisibility by 5 क्या था, last digit is 0 और 5. and divisibility by 10 if last digit is 0. Okay, please learn these rules. Note down. Do practice. Okay, they are very easy and interesting. Question number 6 to 10 cut we will not do, and 11 question I will do in next class. I hope everybody has done. Okay, I am going to take your doubts.